Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for expert legal, financial, and compliance documentation. Whether you're hiring a consultant or offering professional consulting services, having a well-drafted consultancy agreement is absolutely essential. It not only protects both parties legally, but also sets the foundation for a transparent and successful working relationship. Why consultancy agreements are crucial. A consultancy agreement clearly outlines the scope of work, payment terms, confidentiality obligations, and ownership of deliverables, ensuring that there are no surprises or misunderstandings during the engagement. At Filings Corner, we specialize in drafting legally robust, customized, and industry-aligned consultancy agreements that safeguard your interests, reduce risk, and build professional clarity. Why choose Filings Corner? Here's why businesses and consultants across sectors choose Filings Corner. Your agreement is crafted by our team of CAs, CSs, MBAs, and experienced lawyers. Each document is customized to your specific industry, goals, and engagement scope. We ensure full legal compliance, helping you avoid future disputes or liability. Every clause is written with clarity and transparency, no jargon, no loopholes. And of course, we offer fast delivery and ongoing support, even after signing. What's included in our consultancy agreements? Explained for video. So, what does a well-structured consultancy agreement include? We begin with a clear scope of services, defining the consultant's role, tasks, deliverables, and timelines. Then we outline the payment structure, including professional fees, invoicing cycles, and reimbursement policies. We add confidentiality and non-disclosure clauses to protect sensitive business information shared during the engagement. We also clarify intellectual property ownership, especially important when the consultant is creating content, software, or strategies. We define performance expectations, KPIs, and how progress will be measured. There's also a detailed termination clause, outlining how and when either party can end the agreement. And of course, we cover dispute resolution methods and clearly state the legal jurisdiction for governing laws. Our simple, expert-driven process. Here's how we work at Filings Corner. Step 1 is a consultation, where we understand your specific consultancy arrangement, whether you're the client or the consultant. Next, we draft a customized agreement that reflects your engagement terms clearly and legally. Then, we review and revise based on your feedback to ensure everything aligns with your business needs. After that, we assist with execution, signing, notarization, and legal compliance. And if your agreement needs modifications later, we provide ongoing support and legal clarification whenever you need it. Call to action. Clear, strong closing. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your consultancy agreement drafted by experts who understand both business and law. Filings Corner. Protecting your partnerships, powering your professionalism,